Hi guys, Russell here from Homebrew Republic. Welcome to a 2-minute brew review. Today we're checking out the Mangrove Craft Series American IPA. We're going to check out the finished product, we're going to check out the kit, and we're going to check out any special instructions and the other ingredients you'll need for fermentation. What the packet says. This brew is described as producing an exceptionally crisp and dry brew with intense tropical fruit aromas and great balance between complex fruit and multi-tones followed by an intense bitterness. According to the packet, what we've got is a vibrant gold colour and an IBU, which is International Bitterness Rating, of 48 to 56. So we're going to get a really good, a nice strong mid-bitterness going on the back of this brew. Let's check out the finished product for this brew. Here it is here, guys. As we can see, a really amazing gold colour. It's a very rich and quite a deep gold, a good, firm, solid white head. If you were to ask me 3 characteristics that would describe the brew, I would say big and juicy, sweet malt character, and intense bitterness, and that pretty much describes our drinking experience. Just like the packet says, the juicy characters are complex, very much led out by tropical notes, but well supported and well balanced with citrus notes on the side and really interesting back notes coming through from resinous pine, earthy and herbal notes, but it all works really well. From there we're flowing into a really nice sweet malt character, and then the piece de resistance on the back of the brew is the really intense bitterness hit. Anyone who likes their bitter beers is going to really enjoy this. Instructions. Our hops, and our craft series yeast, which is the M54 US West Coast yeast. What you can see here, as we described, is a wet side for our malt and a dry side, which is where our dry ingredients were. The other ingredients that are included, the M54 Mangrove Craft Series yeast. This yeast produces an exceptionally clean flavour. It's well suited to American style beers, and it's well suited to bringing out hoppy characters within the beers. Our hop palette. Hops, we have 50 grams of dry hops. We're using 3 different hops here. We've got 25 grams of Simcoe, 15 grams of Citra, and the final 10 grams is Ekanua. Now the only thing I'll say about these hops is that they bring out fruity and citrus tones, and they're all regarded as working exceptionally well together and being very complementary. The only special instruction to be aware of is the fermentation temperature range, and I'm going by what's on the yeast packet, not on the instructions. According to the yeast packet, the ideal fermentation temperature range is between 18 and 23 degrees Celsius. All I can say is it's a great brew and I hope you enjoy it. Cheers!
Cheers!